Hello, this is the Awesome Chief showing you how to fix your frames per second. Now I'll just delete my worlds, put on creative, yawn, yawn. Now I'll show you right now how to fix your frames per second. Now all you have to do is press escape button, go to options. Now you don't have to touch the music or sound, but sound and music don't add much lag. However, when I press F3, it shows it does, in fact, cause lag. Just small amounts, so you can add music and sound. So then you just go to video settings, set graphics to fast, set your render distance to tiny if you have a bad computer. Set your render distance to small for the same reason. Set your render distance to normal if it's just an average computer, and far if it's a great computer. Now set your performance to max frames, since it allows your frame rate to go crazy. And then you're just done. Just close out the clouds and everything, and then check your frame rates by pressing F3. Okay. Oops. Now, so I like to set my so now let's see if Tiny will do it anything. Apparently apparently the video isn't registering it. I don't know why, but Well, anyway, in the next, I like to set my stuff to my video settings to the highest because my computer can handle it. Probably, as you can see, strangely isn't affecting the frames. Well, now in the next segment, I'll show you how to fix another way, probably the most effective. Well, welcome back, where I'm gonna show you how to download optifine, which is the thing I'm speaking about. It will fix your frames per second out. Well, almost half of the people who took the poll said that it. Well, anyway, type in optifine. Said that gave their computer more than 2 times more frames. So you go in. So you type in optifine, and then you click on the very first result. Just wait for it to load. Strangely enough, when I was recording, it looked like it was running fast, but apparently not. So as you can see, so I'm gonna download the multi-core version. So you can do download 1 or download 2. I don't think it makes a difference. If you have a single core, you can download it too, but you can download the smooth version also, or the standard. Well, anyway, I'll download the multi-core version because I in fact have a Intel Core i7, as you can see on the advertisement to the left. Core i7. It has 8 cores, 8 virtual cores actually. So just click on the download link. Since it strangely isn't downloading to my desktop, I'm gonna have to take it off here, put it up back there. You can close the window now, and then you search up run on right here. You go to run. You type in percentage sign, app data, percentage sign, and then you press OK. Then you go to .minecraft. It should be on the very top. Go to bin. Then you open it with WinRAR Archiver. I will show you how to download it in another video. Then you go to MetaInf, delete it. Press yes. And then you copy and paste. You paste the. Well, you copy all the files here and paste it onto your Minecraft.jar. Press OK, and you can close it out. Run Minecraft. Log in, and then you can, as you can see, you can just. And then when you go back on the video settings screen, you'll see more. You'll see a lot more of options, making you have a lot more frames per second. As you can see right here, there's a bunch of extra video settings, including a pop-up that shows what to set to. So set performance to max frames, since just like last time. Set view bobbing to off. Set GUI scale to small, but I don't like mine small. It does a very small amount of extra stuff. Put OpenGL on, or advanced OpenGL to fast. Go to clouds. You can set your brightness. It doesn't really matter that much. Set your clouds to off. Fog off, or actually. Fog start to 2. Sorry about that. Now details, turn everything off, if not fancy. Cloud height, I'm not sure if that really matters or not, but turn grass and rain and snow to fast. Stars to, I believe, off, and show capes off. Go to quality. And then you set everything to off. Everything to off or fast, if you can. Random mobs to off. Better grass off. Anything that improves looks, turn off, cause apparently that isn't beneficial to your frames per second. If you don't care about graphics, set everything off. It'll help your frames per second, meaning better gameplay and possibly better recording for your videos. And plus, render distance to tiny can be used for like Herobrine videos. Then you go to animations. You turn everything to off. If not off, or if not fast. And also set your particles to minimal, because particles can cause very slight fuck. And also in performance settings, smooth frames per second on, load far off, smooth input to off, dynamic updates off, and chunk updates to the smallest. Since chunk updates cause a ton of lag, it's why render distance is important to improving. Then you go to texture packs. Download a texture pack that's lower than 16 times 16, like 8 times 8 or 4 times 4. Then you just set everything else. Then you set everything like off. Time doesn't, apparently Well, apparently time doesn't work on. Apparently time doesn't work unless you're on a creative. Um, according to the information pop up. Then you just set your full screen to a selected resolution based on your computer monitor size, and then you can just press done. And then you see dramatic changes. As you can see, mine got extra frames. Sorry about the sheeps. They're loud. We killed him. So as you can see, I got twice as much frames per second. Well, that concludes to our video to how to get your frames per second up. Now for the ratings. Reliability 9.0. This mod rarely is misinstalled. The setback is it can overlap with HD texture pack fixes like MC Patcher. Helpfulness 10.0. Optifine helps your Minecraft experience out by nearly doubling the frames per second, FPS for short, and giving players a better time in the world of Minecraft. Features 7.0. Optifine isn't meant to be a feature-packed mod. It adds absolutely nothing when it comes to items and game mechanics. It is only for boosting frames per second. Overall, 8.5. This is an amazing mod overall. If I could rate without averaging, I would rate it an amazing 9.5. But to be fair, I'd average it out. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more how-to videos and maybe even a Minecraft parody.